everybody, this is another video to show you how to change your dead battery in your watch. It's a very simple process. You just need a jewelry screwdriver in order to take out the cover from the back, change the battery, and then put back the cover. It's very simple. You will need a jewelry screwdriver which you can buy from Lazada for under $5. As you can see, the second hand is not moving, so the battery is dead. You have to look at the back of the watch, look at the four corners to see the small opening which can fit your screwdriver to pry open the back. Do not force the screwdriver into the opening. Just gently pry it open. Try all four corners where there will be a groove that you can actually fit your screwdriver in and pry it open. Gently do it, and now you can open the back. Lift up the cover, and you can see the round battery, which is a small little piece of battery. Now look for the number on the battery. You can see it is LR621 under this watch. I think it's a bit too small to see from here. Using the screwdriver, gently lift up the battery from its casing. Do it slowly, do not damage the internals. You can see there's markings on the battery which corresponds to the model of the battery, the code of the battery. So in this case, this one is the LR621. Okay, let's test the battery using a battery tester. This battery tester can be bought from Lazada under 5 ringgit. Place the battery between the two terminals. The clamp down, and to see whether it's the battery gives an indicator as to the status of the battery. Looks like the battery is dead. Okay, let's look for the replacement battery. I bought this set of batteries from Lazada again. You can buy it for the LR621 for under 7 ringgit. Please make sure that you get the correct size battery, because it won't work if you put other types of battery inside. Always get the correct model or correct code battery. Again, this battery is too small for you to see the code on top of the battery. Now let's place this new battery inside. Carefully insert it into its own casing and use the screwdriver to gently secure it into its socket. Be careful when inserting the battery inside that you don't damage the internals again. Okay, that's done. the battery is secured, and you can now test and see whether the second hand is moving. Yep, you can see the second hand is moving, so that means this new battery is good. Well, that's done. A good job. Very simple to replace the battery for the watches. Now just secure back again the back cover. Just press it firmly down and it should be ready to go. Well, that's it. As you can see, it's very simple to change the battery for watches. Thank you for watching. If you did find the video useful, please do help me subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.